So one more thing I want to show you. I just break the sensor anyway. I'm not gonna need it. Just want to take it out anyway. So what I did. So if you come behind, you go back. You come behind here and behind the chops. You can see the mount for the sensor. I don't know if you can see it from here. I don't have any even space to go inside with the camera. But anyway, I'm going to show you this. I break the sensor because it's just to try to take it out of the mount. With this snap on, we clip screwdriver and you go behind here to the bracket for the sensor, and I just play with it until you just push it out or even break it. You can use the hammer and just tap on it like that to this side, and it will just come out, will jump. You pull it with your hand, and then you come to the other side with your brake bar and your pliers. This side again, like I showed you at the beginning. Push this one to that side, and like I said, if you have a friend to help you out, it'll be more easy for you. Okay, so after I break it, I stick my hand in here and I pull the hose, like you see. It was in here. I pull it to this side, and it's very easy to remove the hose clamp, like you see in here. Very easy to remove it. After you did that, you're just gonna install the sensor from this side, put it back on the mount, or even you can tie it with zip tie, however is easy for you. And then you put back the hose on this hole, the top one, the first hose that you moved, this one, just to push it back up. You can put this back in the mount, or even you can just tie it with zip tie, whatever is easy for you. You know, it's just hard to move and install this thing. And that's pretty much it. And then you put your block back and tied everything back, and that be it. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.